How to hide recent chats on Snapchat. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we'll be covering the topic that says how to hide recent chat on Snapchat. So now without further ado, let's get started. But here, before starting anything, let me tell you the truth. So on Snapchat, there is no direct button to hide chats from the chat list. However, you can use a few methods to remove or hide them from your recent chat. So here, with that, moving forward to the method one, that is to clear the conversation. So here, this method removes the chat from your recent list, and to do that you can simply open the Snapchat app, and here once you're inside it you can just tap on the profile icon shown in the top left corner of the screen. And now here, once you are inside the profile section, just tap on the gear icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And now here, once you are inside the settings section, what you can do is simply scroll down, and there you can just tap on the option labeled as clear conversation. So there you can just tap on it, and here in this section you can simply tap on X next to the chat that you want to remove, and with that the chat will disappear from your recent chat list. And with this, moving forward to the method 2, that is to delete the chat manually. So here you can also clear it directly from the chat screen. So here to do that, you can just go to the chat tab, and there you can just press and hold on the conversation, and here you can just tap on chat and notification settings, and there in this section you can just tap on this option that says clear from chat feed, or you can just tap on delete chats, and there you can just select after viewing option, and here once you do that the chat will be deleted directly once you see it. And with that, moving forward to the method 3, that is to use my eyes only for snaps. So here if you want to hide photos or videos, then you can move them to my eyes only, which requires a passcode. So yeah, clearing a conversation does not delete saved messages inside the chat. If someone sends you a new message, the chat will appear again in your recent chat list. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.